Welcome to Vedavarta. Today we are going to start a new series of basic interview questions. This series mostly concentrated on those peoples who are having background of electronics and electrical and wanna switch in an IT company. Similarly, I have completed my BTech in electronics and instrumentation. Then after that I completed my MTech in data science. But before doing MTech, I switched in an IT company, and then I get to know that there are some companies like Hindustan Unilever, Cisco, British Telecom, and Ericsson. They are asking such questions that based on your background, whether I am going to switch a role in software engineer, but they ask questions that is a combination of my background role as well as software. So they get to know that you are a good learner, that what you have learned in last 4 years, at least you are having basic knowledge of that. So today we will start the first question for an electrical guy. So the question is, they will ask you a simple question. Suppose you got for an interview in Hindustan Unilever, just for an example. They will ask you, what do you understand by transformer? So you will say that transformer is just a device that step up and step down the voltage. They will tell you, okay, that which two types of transformer are. They will say, yes sir, that there is a step up transformer and there is a step down transformer. Now they will ask you, what are the main things that make a transformer? You will say, yes, we know. There are number of turns and there is a primary voltage circuit and the output voltage circuit. Now they will say, can you make a program that takes 3 input and provide the 4th output? Now you say, what input and what output? They will ask you, do you know the relation between the number of turns and the voltage? You will say, yes, we have learned that V1 upon V2 is equal to N1 upon N2, where V1 is the primary voltage and N1 is the primary turns. Similarly, V2 is the secondary voltage and N2 is the secondary turns. So V1 upon V2 is equal to N1 upon N2. Okay, so they will say, okay, this, now make a program. So how can you make a program in this? Let me show you. See, this is a simple program where N1, this is a Python program. You can make in C, C#, whatever you want. This simple program. N1 takes the input of primary turns from the user. N2 takes the input of secondary turns from the user, where V1 takes the primary voltage. Now, the formula V1 upon V2 is equal to N1 upon N2. So from that you can find what is V2. V2 is equal to V1 into N2 divided by N1. That same formula I calculated here. Calculated output voltage. Now you can print the output voltage. Second condition, what they will say, after completing this, the model will tell whether this is a step up transformer or step down transformer. How can you track whether this is a step up or step down transformer? If the output voltage comes less than the input voltage, then it is a step down transformer. If the output voltage is greater than the input voltage, then it's a step up transformer. For example, see, it's asking for primary turns. Primary turns we will give 80. Second turns we will get 100. Primary voltage, basically what voltage comes into a home is 220 voltage, 220 or 230. Let's give 220. So the output voltage is 275. So it is showing it's a step up transformer. So such questions they can ask. So I am preparing questions for such type of programs where you can use your degree. We have completed your knowledge in 4-year knowledge, and as well as where you are going to switch in future. So I have created such type of questions. We will make the solution of these questions series by series. Like, tell me something about AI or machine learning. AI and machine learning having boom in this time. So they will ask you the basic knowledge of AI, basic of machine learning. Is there any difference between AI or machine learning? Is there any difference between machine learning and deep learning? For joining, keep watching the videos, and sure let you know if I'm making some new videos on this topic. And we'll try to connect your current profession to your future, where you're going to switch. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you all.